I represent for the elevated clan, yeah, you know the goddamn twist smash strands. Pop another tab, nigga, live life grand. I'm an ever living god, nigga, fuck 'em, man. My nigga, fuck 'em, man. When you so loco like my Egypt fan, my living soul don't age like a Peter Pan. Oh, you a Jesus Christ fan? I'm the sequel, man. See, you got a piece of God trapped in your soul. It go deeper than a motherfucking human, though. Christ conscious shit, living optimal. All the religious bullshit, it got to go. Because these niggas can't read they Bible code. They preach lies to the mass to fill them up with hope. Take a lecture from you niggas, live your pockets, bro. Not a preacher in the church, fucking lots of hoes. But not my mama, though. Cause if I find that out, I'ma cop the hoes and turn a motherfucking preacher nigga back to ghost. Not like the Christian religion, he filled with hoes. Nah, but I don't kill though. Tryna see if niggas got sent, you know. Fuck a church and go blow your smoke. Then the religion is here, nigga named Beast Coast. Yeah, you be called Beast Coast, but fuck the US. And we tryna take the globe, the world inside my hands like a metaphor poem. Oh, you see the light, you best I keep going. I came from the great beyond. From out the light I spawned. I ain't a homo sapien. I'm from the elevated patriarch. Two red eyes, one glow and go. So radiate blue indigo. Purple trees like fairy hoes. Yellow sunlight radiate my soul. My prism, like shine through when I'm living. So different, no shit, motherfucker, no, cause I live in orange fire, brown blunts, and the ultraviolet rays beam off the sun. Touch your dead grace, so feel the up with love. If you open up your heart and unite as one. My prism, like shine through when I'm living. So different, no shit, motherfucker, no, cause I live in
Know how I feel to wake up fucked up, priceless. Cali Kush stuffed in the Dutch reunited with the most highest, righteous. Got a pot of gold in my soul, leave him blinded. That and the power retrieve from the light, Birdman, Clark Kent, superhero on the mic. I excel, the perp trails, your girl follows and never fails. The pimp tails, timeless like the minus fella. Close eyelids, that's the eyes umbrella. Look into yourself, cause nobody gon' tell ya. You can't buy joy, cause they just don't sell it. Said it 2 times for your million. Use my 3 eyes as the demons of the villains. Pop, third eye, fucking shredding, let a lot. Give me props, cause I could've been a felon. But I stay golden, path I rode it. Y'all can't hold this, rhyme with the worst bit. Conscious, keep calm with some earth wind. Vietnam, nigga, drop bombs and you lose lip. Holy Ghost, I'm back in the flesh, resurrected like I never left. Architect, new chap, yes, I'm blessed. Still your bitch, cause a nigga up next. Use that power up inside you, divinely create desires. Just try it, I bet you notice the God within can't deny it, huh? We some young messiahs, we triumph, nigga, fuck religion. Found a better way of living when the light shines through my prism, nigga.
2 red eyes, one glow and go. So radiate blue indigo. Purple trees like fairy hoes. Yellow sunlight radiate my soul. My prism, like shine through when I'm living. So different, no shit, motherfucker, no, cause I live in orange fire, brown blunts, and the ultraviolet rays beam off the sun. Touch your dead grace, so fill it up with love. If you open up your heart and unite as one. My prism, like shine through when I'm living. So different, no shit.